Hi, and welcome to Curviga Explained. You can also use your Curviga routes on your TomTom navigation device. In this video, we show you how to transfer your route from Curviga to your TomTom and what you should pay attention to. The first step is to export your route from Curviga. In short, Curviga Export translates your route as accurately as possible into the language of your navigation system so that it corresponds as closely as possible to your planned route. This is because every navigation system recalculates routes using its own maps and rules. First, click on Export in the Curviga menu, or in the three-dot menu in the app. There you can select your TomTom device from the list to display the corresponding export options. You can specify whether you want to export a track or route and stabilize the route by adding additional waypoints for transfer. Some devices, such as the TomTom Rider 550, cannot import tracks and routes together in one file. We explain more about route transfer in the video export and in the Curviga knowledge base. You can find the links below this video. Once you have successfully exported your route, you have several options, depending on your device, for transferring the route to your TomTom navigation device. You can do this via a USB connection or via plan.tomtom.com. Transfer via USB connection. How exactly the import looks on the navigation device varies depending on the device. Here we show you how it works using the TomTom Rider 401 as example. Connect your TomTom to your computer using a USB cable. The connection will then be displayed on the navigation screen. Tap Import Routes. Your TomTom will then appear as a computer drive in the file browser on your computer. Copy your route file to the appropriate directory or to the inserted SD card. Then tap Done on your TomTom navigation device, and your route, as an ITN file or track, as a GPX file, will be displayed there. Check the boxes next to the desired files and tap Import. Wait for the Import Complete message. Then tap OK and disconnect the USB connection. Your route or track will now appear in the list under Menu and My Routes and can be accessed and started for navigation as usual. Transfer via plan.tomtom.com for tracks. You can transfer tracks to your TomTom as GPX files via plan.tomtom.com. To ensure that this works as smoothly as possible, you should first check the settings in your TomTom Rider. Ensure that you have an internet connection so that your TomTom account can be connected. To do this, go to Settings, Wi-Fi in the menu and connect your device to the network. Also, make sure that your navigation device is logged in to your TomTom user account. Even if you were already logged in, your device may have logged out again in the meantime. First, log into plan.tomtom.com with your user account. Click on My Items in the menu, and then click on Import GPX file in the Routes tab. Here you can select the desired route file from the file browser. It will then appear in the list below. Click on the track you want to import in the list and activate the toggle to synchronize it with your TomTom. Your track will now appear on your TomTom in the list under Menu and My Routes and can be accessed and started for navigation as usual. The list of devices compatible with plan.tomtom.com can also be found in the Curviga knowledge base. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to check out our knowledge base. You'll find lots of helpful guides and tips there. Also, visit us on the Curviga forum or follow us on social media. You'll find all the links in the video description. We wish you lots of fun planning and riding your tours.